Hello, I wanted to record a video of praise for Margaret and Living Organized. They are such a wonderful, hardworking company that it's going to be very hard for me to tell you all the wonderful things about Margaret and Living Organized and what they do and how they help people. She came into our lives to rescue us after our mom died, and she helped us by clearing out, sorting, preparing our house for auction. She even went above and beyond helping us coordinate paper shredding services and the delivery of a dumpster that we'd rented to clear out the house. The magnitude of her work is absolutely incredible. She's such a hardworking woman, so is her team, and she really knows how to get things done. And honestly, we wouldn't have been able to do any of what we did in the time frame that we did without her help. She's just absolutely so hardworking. She's just so wonderful, and we couldn't be happier with her work and what she did for us. We're happy with her work. Her rates are fantastic, and they really do earn the money that they ask for to do these jobs. I would strongly recommend Margaret and Living Organized to anybody, and I really hope that I can use her again in the future. She's just absolutely wonderful, and I would recommend her hands down. So I hope that this helps, and I hope that you take my advice because you won't be sorry. Thank you so much.